Redi Shade, paper shade. Cost me $5.50 at Home Depot. Unwrap. What's a paper shade? Looks like you can't see through it though. Well, that's what I bought it for. Alright, so the box says cut it at the desired length you want. So my window's 33 inches. Okay, scissors are a bad choice. The scissors didn't work, so I got a new tool here. Remember, you always want to hold your knife east. I don't know if that's working either. Update. Just press harder with the scissors. And you get through there. It's starting to work. Can't believe I used a knife. Just want to clean the surface. Peel the tape off. And stick it to the ceiling. There we go. Alright, that's what it looks like installed. There's no drawstring to pull it up or anything, but put my hand behind it. That's touching the back, and that's a little bit farther away, so I have this installed in a bathtub, so I was worried about privacy, so it looks like it works pretty good. Alright, see you later. Thanks for watching.